Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 3500 Laramie Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in flame red. It looks great. You do have the Laramie grille on it right there with your projector style headlights and your fog lights right there with the parking sensors and your tow hooks right there. Coming around the side here we do have our Goodyear brand tires and our 20-inch rims. They look fantastic. You do also have heated exterior mirrors here in the chrome. They do fold up just like that. They are the tow mirrors. Lets you see even more. You do also have your running boards along the bottom. Coming around to the back, you got that 6-foot box back here. You got the 4x4 badging. Chrome bumper back here with your parking sensors. You do also have your backup camera right there. And opening it up, it is in the same color as the rest of the vehicle and leaves you lots of room to haul things. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside in the cold, and it sounds great. Now it does also have proximity keyless entry, so if you do have the keys on your person and it is locked, you just gotta put your hand in there, and it will unlock for you. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. This guy does bring in your mirrors. You have your chrome accenting on the handle here, some storage, and more down here. Looks great in here. The leather seats are very comfortable. It has the Laramie badging on it. You do have the controls over the seats here, so backward and forward as well as the tilt, lumbar support, and seat memory. And then up here we do have the controls over our lights, so our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as the fog lights if you press them in, and your in-cabin light control there. And right up here we do have the controls over our turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. Foot on the brake, press the button, and it will start right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have our battery, or we have our oil life up there. And then in the center there it does tell us how many kilometers we have. 13,000, not too bad at all. You can switch that around to your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B. You also have your trailer tow options, your audio, your stored messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. That is control from right here with your Bluetooth and options. And you got your horn here and your cruise control options right there. Gear shift is right here. And when you are in reverse, you got that ever useful backup camera right there, keeping you nice and safe. Over here, we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect. So you got your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM, as well as you have your media tab here if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You have your controls over your heated and vented seats, as well as your heated steering wheel, mirror dimmer, backup camera, cargo camera, and your settings. You got your Uconnect apps right here, and you do have your climate control right over here. It is a dual climate system, so you and your passenger can have different levels of hot or cold. Navigation right here, you can hit view map and see we are on Rec Place. And then you got your phone options right there as well, so if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Right down here we do have the controls over our 2-wheel, our 4-wheel lock, and our 4-wheel low. And then we do have our volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, and our tuner and browser right there. We also have our AC, circulation, heat up and down, as well as your power, off, auto, front and rear defrost. And then you have your trailer brake, you have your trailer height, you also have your traction control, tow and haul mode, exhaust brake, front and rear park sensors, heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel, and the same for the other side. Some storage in here, a place for your phone, as well as you do have your cup holders right there. You got your armrest here that doubles as a storage container. You got some coin holders here with your aux cord and USB plug-in right there. Fold that up, you can lift this guy, and there is some more storage just underneath there. And over here we do have our top and bottom layer for our glove box. Lots of room in there. Up top you do have your universal garage door opener right there, as well as you do have your control over your window in the back and the control over the sunroof. And there's our sunroof. It looks great. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you have that same chrome accenting, control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage right down here and here. Looks great in here. Same material as the front. Very comfortable. Feels great. You can also fold this guy down right here, and you do have a armrest with some cup holders on it. As well, you do have heated seats back here. And then you can fold this up just like this, and you got some storage just underneath there. As well, you do have this guy that folds down just like that, and then you do have a flat surface to put stuff on top of. And just underneath the floor mats here, you do also have some storage. There's our 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Ram 3500 Laramie. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself and take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.